Welcome to Course Claw AI Training Video Series. In this tutorial we are going to show how to create AI-powered courses with Course Agent in Course Claw AI. Once you log into your account you will redirect to Course Agent, or you can click on Course Agent also from left menu. Now you are on Course Creating page of Course Agent. This agent will guide you through building a complete, high-quality course automatically. All you need to enter the course name. Add your target audience for your course. Now choose your preferred language for your course. Difficulty level of course. Number of total modules in course. And number of lessons per module. And your course will be generate. This process will take some time. Once your course is created, click on Manage and Publish. And now you are on course page. Here you can add website and add pricing on your course. Just add subdomain name. Pricing, you can add pricing to your course or create a free course. Click on Generate Website and your website will be created. You can also view and update your course content if you want. You can add AI marketing assets to your course website to rank it higher. You can also download your course in different formats. Once you are done, click on Publish Website and your website is live now. You can view your website. You can see all of your generated courses in My Courses section. Here you can manage your generated courses. You can publish and unpublish your generated courses. Manage your course contents. Or delete your course anytime. Thanks for watching the video.